All right, time to figure out what kind of lock we need. I think it's time to go fancy. Right.
Oh. Sorry.
No, you're good. I think we go Schlage. I don't know how to say it. What are you doing?
I have to feel comfortable with the handle here.
Makes sense. Main lock. We'll turn it around.
Open. Oh, sorry.
Silly goose.
Sorry.
All right. Maybe. Oh, God.
You can do it. I believe in you.
3 of these.
Yay.
Okay.
So 3 of those knobs, and then we just need 1 handle
Just 1 handle.
for now. Okay.
So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different exterior doors. So 3 combo bolts, 1 regular locking knob, and then the Schlage Encode, which is a smart doorbell, which is your remote keypad. So that'll be cool. So that's job 1. That will be the deadbolt, and then an actual knob. So that's my big task for the night. Let's make it happen. All right, so here's my problem. I go to put this in. Bottom line is this hole is too small. Normally, whatever knucklehead put this in the first place would just use a Forstner bit or a spade bit or any kind of drill. I'm going to use a spade bit instead of a Forstner bit. It's just going to be easier to just kind of hog it out a little bit because it's really, really close. So we're just going to try and get lucky with this. And voila. So the key to getting off these old doorknobs is there's a little piece right in the middle there that actually pushes down. So you're going to need a flathead screwdriver, and you're going to actually need to jam that down and push down that piece of metal. By doing that, the doorknob will actually slide off. Once the doorknob slides off, you need to take out the outer facing or the outer casing. And there's just a little piece where your flathead screwdriver fits in. Just give it a little pop with the screwdriver. Now once that's off, that'll give you access to the screws. At that point, you can just get your drill. I tend to hold on to the back. Push it on the back side. And once those 2 screws are out, you should be able to pull out the whole door mechanism. If this middle part is stuck, just push it up and down a little bit, and it should come right out. And that is how you take out a 1990s doorknob. Now I just have 800 more to do. Okay, this is what I'm calling the aftermath. Now what we have to do is put it all back again with brand new hardware. Let's do it. I got a delivery. Now all of the knobs are off. This is what I get to install. And in each one of these boxes, oil rubbed bronze. Some are pass through, so there's no lock. Some have locks for like the bathroom. And then I also need to actually put on the kick plate on each of them as well. So 22 knobs. We're gonna have to get these babies installed. Here's the issue, ready? This goes into where you close the door. See this? What?
I said yeah.
You gotta turn this way.
Oh.
You see what I'm saying? Like it can't be flat going in. So you put that in there. Just like that. Get this out. Right? You put them on. Process what I said when I said right anytime you have to use it. You can't get it. You know, do it with your hand. Hold on. This is going to be one of those times where these, well, you want to get them both tightened down first. Shall I see? Work. Done. That's all you do. You start working on it if you want. All right, and of course my other camera died, but this got done, so fancy lock installed. Push this button. Ooh. That is the last door and the last knob to be installed. So, not too bad. I think I'm gonna call it a night. So I lied when I said the pool is great before, it's even better now. What do you think, fam?
Good. The lights are on and it's fun.
The lights are on and it's fun?
Yeah. We just got playing and failing on the banana really bad.
It's nice that the heater works?
Oh yeah.
How hot is it?
Nice and toasty.
Burning. It was burning really
Well, this is good. This is what we call ambiance. And my wife got lovely hanging flowers, so it actually looks pretty out here. Good job, Bear.
What if our pool turned green?
Well, that would mean you probably peed in it.
Oh. That's gross. Don't put that in.
First of many nights to come?